Hello, my most amazing artist. It is Thanksgiving, and I am very thankful for Thanksgiving. Are you thankful for Thanksgiving? What are you thankful for? For today's art assignment, we are going to be showing our family thanks by doing a nice Thanksgiving card. I know that I am thankful for my family. I am thankful for my friends. I am thankful for food. All of my wonderful art students. I am thankful for you all. So let's show our appreciation and thank you in a wonderful Thanksgiving card that we can give to our family. Are you guys ready? I know that I am. Let's do it, guys! Okay, guys, grab your paper, pencil, markers, and crayons or colored pencils because we're going to be making our Thanksgiving card together. Remember, you should be as creative as you can be. Let's go! We're going to start by folding our paper in half to create the card. So we're bringing the left side of the paper to meet the right, and then make sure you crease the side of your paper. On my card, I'm going to be writing Happy Thanksgiving. You can use a font of your choice, or you can use the same one that I am using. And by font, I mean the writing style. So it is up to you. Now that we're finished with our happy, it's time for us to write our Thanksgiving. And again, you can use any writing style of your choice, or you can use the same one that I am using. Just remember to have fun, and if I'm moving too fast, you can always hit the pause button. Now that we're finished with our happy Thanksgiving, let's add some leaves to our card so that it can look even more beautiful. If you would like to be creative and add anything else to your card, that is fine. Let's open up our card, and inside we're going to create a big thankful tree. On different sections of the tree, you're going to write words that describe what you are thankful for this Thanksgiving. I am thankful for my family, my friends, health, and there are so many other things that I am thankful for. So I'm going to write it inside of my tree. Whatever you are thankful for, you can write it in your tree, or you can even draw it inside of your tree. Just remember to have fun. Your artworks look amazing, guys. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you next time. Bye.